Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.